I am out today at a conference and I am super excited for what we have planned today, which is to meet with your book clubs. There's a couple of things that I want to share with you. You're going to get this paper that I have that is showing up on your computer screen right now for class today. And what I wanted to talk to you about is that today it is time for you to think of doing something different in your notebook. So we're going to spend a few minutes with you adding some more to your notes. I want you to make it your own, make it show your best thinking, whatever that moment is. Maybe share a chuckle, a nod and an interest, or raise eyebrows in wonder as you reread to note more details and know more about what your book is. I want you to be original and thoughtful, reaching for words that don't come easily to you, and try to put your thinking down. Know that when books become complicated with multiple problems, multiple backstories, like we have Naya, we have Salva, we have their stories of what happens, and their lives become complicated and emotional, you will need to work on helping to detangle those lives and what is going on. So here, looking at this, you can work with your book club today after you have a chance to, you're going to take the first 10 minutes of class to add anything that you need to your notes. You can talk about your characters and the traits, motivations, relationships, and life lessons that characters have. So are there relationships forming in this book? Life lessons being moved? What traits, like on the inside of a person? Are they brave? Why does Salva keep walking? What's his motivation? What does he want to do? The plot. How do events that happen later connect to ones that have already happened earlier in the story? So like we're moving through the story. Is there something now that you're like, oh, that connects to what happened earlier in the book? And it kind of makes sense and it's coming together. So thinking about that, you could write about that. The setting, the mood, how the story is and what the feelings are, how it takes place, how the setting can affect the characters. Being in the desert in the Sudan, repeating objects, which is like again and again. Is there something that's being repeated again and again? Does it stand? Is it a symbol for something? Like the wool poo was the symbol for death. Be thinking about what you are seeing in these things. Add something right now to your writing. You're going to have 10 minutes to look at this paper. You're going to get a copy of this from Mr. Elsie, and I want you to use this to help guide anything that you might need to add. Some of your writing might have been sort of wimpy yesterday, so this is a chance for you to kind of beef it up with some good muscle and some good thinking to share with your reading groups. And then when Mr. Elsie tells you to, it will be time to move into your book clubs, and you will share the information on your page with your book club. Use it to guide your discussion and to read chapter 5. Happy reading today.